In this video, I'm going to tell you a 4-line Python code to convert any text to speech. First, open Window PowerShell and install library PyTTSX3. Yes, as it's already stored in my system, so it is giving requirement already satisfied. Again, install another library PyTTSX only. So both libraries are installed in my system, so they are giving this message, requirement already satisfied. Just go to Python, go to File, New File, and start writing the code. Import PyTTSX3 and write anything. Voice equals to PyTTSX3.init voice shape. Don't forget to write run and wait command, otherwise it won't run. Just save it. Just run the code like this.
Hello world.
Just listen. So code successfully run. You can change the text like this also. Save it and run it.
Hello Python.
Hello Python. So friend, just writing 4-line code, you can convert any text to speech. Thank you.